If you want Sikhism in its true spirit, go and see the Sikhs in Malaysia, how the spirit of Guru Nanak's universal teachings are being practiced. Heartiest welcome, especially in this jubilant moment of Vaisakhi. Vaisak is a month, and so Vaisakhi comes on the first day of Vaisak, and it becomes the name Vaisakhi. 553 years ago, Guru Nanak, the first Guru and founder of the Sikh religion, was born. Researchers have confirmed his birth day falls on Vaisakhi. But over the years, his birthday is usually celebrated in the month of Kartika on Full Moon's Day. But from 1699, Vaisakhi has assumed a very significant day in the history of mankind, because on this day, our 10th Guru Nanak, known as Guru Gobind Singh Ji, created the Khalsa. Sikhs became members of the Khalsa Brotherhood, and he baptized the first 5 Sikhs on that day. At a gathering of 80,000 people, the birth of Khalsa at Anandapur Sahib in that year marks a spiritual upliftment of mankind and completion of the ideal man which Guru Nanak started. Whatever Guru Nanak began culminated at Vaisakhi. So Vaisakhi to us is a day our brotherhood was born, our religion achieved the culmination. I wish to speak in our Malaysian context now. Vaisakhi here is an opportunity for every Sikh to reaffirm in our beliefs, in what Guru Nanak taught us. So this day gives the community an opportunity to gather and reaffirm our faith. And we give sermons, we teach, preachers come, new researchers are given, so that the generation that is listening to us, they're going to be the next generation, understands and feels a pride in their rich heritage. And they also feel the spirit of sacrifice by listening to the great sacrifices made by our elders earlier. Vaisakhi is a day that teaches us humility. Overall, that is a day of charity. When the early Sikhs came to Malaysia, it was colonial rule. The religious functions in the Gurdwaras don't change, they follow what happens in India, and that's a traditional. Over the time now we have changed. Then in the evenings, afternoons, there were the games, the cultural part. Punjabi games like tug of war, gusti, that is the wrestling, weightlifting. This was done at the Padang. That was during the colonial period. Then Malaysia became independent. Things started changing. Then Tunku Abdul Rahman, our beloved first Prime Minister, started the open house system. Nowadays in Malaysia, Vaisakhi celebrations have become open to all. Many other nationalities, communities join us at Gurdwara. So our children are taught all humanity is one. That's what Guru Nanak said. Our Rukun Nagaras believe in God. Guru Nanak also taught us belief in one God. Vaisakhi Day is, for religious purpose, the Gurdwara most important function on that day is baptism. Amrit is all the children who want to become members of the Khalsa. That is the most important aspect of Vaisakhi in the Gurdwara, baptism. And another point that we are one, we are united, is the ceremony of raising the religious flag. The religious flag is known as Nishan Sahib, the symbol of Sikhism. So it is raised together. Every Vaisakhi is not complete without raising the Nishan Sahib. There may be only few Sikhs, there may be hundreds, but ceremonies usually begin by raising the Nishan Sahib. So baptism, Nishan Sahib are the two most basic things. And Langar is the free food kitchen service which goes throughout the year in the temples. But modern things like TV programs, TV shows, messages from VIPs, Open houses are even graced by royalty in Malaysia, senior ministers, community leaders, religious people. So it has become a national festival, very different from other countries. When tourists come from other countries, even Punjabi tourists or Sikh tourists, they are surprised at the way we mix with our people. And Sikh leaders from Punjab have even said, if you want Sikhism in its true spirit, go and see the Sikhs in Malaysia, how the spirit of Guru Nanak's universal teachings are being practiced. Gurdwara celebrations, the reading of the Guru Granth Sahib takes 48 hours, 3 days. Start on Monday, finish on Wednesday. So major Gurdwaras where people are more in number, money is more available, they have 3-day festival, start reading from beginning and end on Vaisakhi Day. Smaller Gurdwaras, they do only 1-day function. But every Gurdwara will have the Nishan Sahib and so on. Basics will go on. Open houses are held about, let's say, the 1 month of Baisakh will be Baisakhi to us. There will be functions here, there, and people will go. To my Sikh community, I wish to say Happy Vaisakhi. Vaisakhi di sab Sikhan nu, Gur Khalse nu lakh lakh vadai hoਵੇ।
ਪੰਥ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਸਾਜਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਗੁਰੂ ਕਲਗੀਆਂ ਵਾਲਾ, ਤੰਬੂ ਚਾਨਣੀਆਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਦੀਵਾਨ ਭਰ ਗਿਆ ਬਾਲਾ।
It is also a day when new books are released. TV Malaysia has a special program. A good example is your enterprise that has come forward to put something on Vaisakhi. This is all contributions to make Vaisakhi better known.